Hey guys, so the POCO X8 Pro supports a massive 100 watts hypercharge. So with the official brick from Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO, you can hit 100% in just about 40 minutes. But don't worry if you don't have the original charger, like in my case. As you can see, I've got one from Motorola with 125 watts. It's also a backward compatible, any standard PD charger will work, but a little bit slower. And now, what is the best part of charging this device? It supports the 100 watts PPS universal protocol, which means that you don't have to use the original Xiaomi charger. Any third-party brands like Anker, Ugreen, Basus will work perfectly as long as they support PPS. And now about cables and connectors. So for the best experience, you should use the 100 watt cable like this one. In my case, as you can see, we got a 100 watt marking, USB-C into the USB-C. But if you use an old USB-A to the USB-C cable, you will likely be capped at the lower speed, but you can still use it. And this is everything.